Hi everyone, I'm Jake Urban from the Jackson Hole Outdoor Leadership Institute, and here's 5 things to incorporate into your beacon check every time to help you live better in the backcountry. Before you're heading out into the backcountry and you're doing your standard beacon check, just a couple of reminders for everybody. 1, turn your beacon on, make sure it goes through its function check properly. 2, make sure that you have at least 70% battery power. 3, make sure that you've turned off any other electronics, GoPros, phones, etc. Turn them off. Number 4, make sure that your friends can pick up your signal. And then number 5, make sure that you can pick up your friend's signal. And then stow your beacon for the day. There's pretty much 2 ways you can stow your beacon today. 1 is you can stow it down in a pants pocket. While it's easier to retrieve, it's important to recognize that if you're going to get buried, you're less likely to get your head uncovered first. You're more likely to get your torso uncovered. So while you're a faster and more versatile rescuer, it does have implications if you're buried. If you have it up on your chest, you're more likely to get located at your chest and head area first. So those are the pros and cons of where you happen to stow your beacon. Regardless, practice with it and get used to how your beacon functions. Hey everybody, thanks for watching, and I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to share. If you want to see more, be certain to hit the subscribe button, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Be well and keep it safe out there.